A lot of people think that learning a language is this major hurdle that's almost impossible to get over, but it's really not. You just need to apply some simple steps and you'll be speaking before you know it. All right, first up, you need to understand memorizing words and phrases is low level brain functioning. Memorizing words just puts them into your head, and it doesn't really make your brain work very hard. You need to do higher level thinking skills to learn a language in a way that you'll actually retain it and internalize it. Now, it's okay to memorize, yes, but you have to take the next step to make it last. So, what's the next step? Work with a native speaker. Find someone who speaks it and can help you practice the right way using correct grammar and structures so that you solidify the language the right way. You don't want to practice the wrong way and memorize things that are just wrong. Now, this is where italki comes in. With italki, you get to practice your language of choice with a certified native speaking teacher who can spend one-on-one time with you as much as you'd like. Now, if you're wondering, do they have a tutor for the language I want to learn? Well, since they offer services in over 150 languages, I would say definitely. So all you do is search for a tutor in the language you're learning, and you can choose the time and the budget that works best for you. Now, since I've been wanting to improve my Dutch skills lately, I easily booked a tutor in the Netherlands in just seconds.
Si la palabra es masculina o femenina, por ejemplo, un teléfono nuevo, een nieuwe telefoon.
Sí.
Porque es de telefoon. Een telefoon, een nieuwe telefoon.
Nieuwe.
Click through the link below in the description to start your language learning journey. Buy $10, get $5 for free for your first lesson using my exclusive promo code Danny5. The discounts are only available for the first 50 users, so book your tutor right now. Once you find a native speaker to practice with you, don't be afraid to ask them to slow down. Many times, it's easy to go back up to speed when we're speaking our own native languages. So our native speaker friends will sometimes do the same thing without meaning to. And it's okay to keep reminding them to slow down. I had to do it many times when I was learning Spanish. The internet is the gateway to the world. Amazing resources are available to us at any time. So that brings us to the next step. Look up reading material and start reading in the target language. Reading exposes you to everyday language, and it helps you realize words you didn't know yet. And once you look them up, you reread the text and see how it applies in context. Now, this will usually transfer to your spoken abilities as well. Next, listen to music in the target language all the time. Choose some of your favorite artists, listen to a few songs, look up what you don't understand, listen to it again and again and again. Do this until you understand the entire song. Just like reading, this brings up common vocabulary and structures. Now, for me, it was Selena when I was learning Spanish. I listened to Selena all the time, and I loved her, and I still love her. You can also bring in Spanish-speaking radio stations or radio stations that are in the target language you want to learn. You can watch shows, you can watch movies, but just know that you may feel a little intimidated at first, especially listening to radio, because they tend to speak fairly quickly. Movies are also great because you can use subtitles. Finally, once you begin to feel comfortable with your conversation friend, this is the absolute most important thing you can do. Start to immerse yourself with other speakers. Make yourself speak the language every single day as much as possible. This forces your brain to do the higher level thinking skills that cause fluency. Now, I promise, when you get to that point, you'll be surprised at how quickly you become conversant. And before long, you'll realize you're not translating everything in your head anymore. You're just understanding. And when that happens, it is really exciting. Okay, friends, I hope this has helped you. You can learn a language. You just have to follow these steps and commit to putting in the time every day. Now, I'll see you in the next lesson, but in the meantime, I wish for you and all your family and friends paz y bendiciones. Hasta pronto.